Yeah. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sun, and my background is an urban planner with 5 years experience, and I'm doing practice in Vietnam. So, I have been working in the urban planning for a wide variety of projects across different scales and mostly in conceptual design phase. So, I see the pain point with drawing and calculating manually in CAD. And for the last 2 years, I have transitioned to a developer and write the tool to optimize that. And for now, I will introduce the UrbanAna, which is a urban planning and building design plugin for SketchUp, which aims to provide real-time insights into design options. And now the design proposal can be delivered in hours, not weeks. And our table of content for today, I will introduce four sets of tools in UrbanAna, which are script tools, block and land use tools, building tools, and urban metrics report. Before jump into four set of tools, I will introduce the main viewport when you're working with UrbanAna inside SketchUp. We have three main components here. The first is the toolbar. It's where you will activate the plugin. The second will be the user interface. And the third will be the pin metric. And these two will respond based on which object you are selecting. For example, on the demo screen, the selected object will show on the notification bar, and under the bar you will have parameters input, and when you edit the parametric object, in this state is the building, the object will be updated, and the urban metrics will be calculated and providing real-time data, so you can analyze and adjust to meet the planning requirement. And here is the UI. So for the toolbar, you will have a button to start the plugin, and you will have the street tool, the building tools, and the block tools. And for the main UI view, you will have the notification bar and the properties. And for the parameter view, you will have the parameter input and the tool section. For the report view, you will have the quick pin and the report metric. So the first set of tools is street tool. As you can see on the screen, we are drawing with predefined street of 13 meters. The drawing tools work just like your familiar pen tool in Photoshop, with click and drag and making curvature. And we can also set the street type even before or after drawing. Like now we are drawing with predefined street of 35 meters and making the curvature. And here we are using the move tool to move nodes and segments. And all the streets are interactive, which means that you can edit them easily after draw. And we have the function to transform the cat to street and even blocks and buildings. On the screen, you can see that we are mapping the cat layer to street type. And then we do the clean up the graph to fix any error. So with the imported data from cat, I think you can use the interactive function with UrbanAna right away. And the second set of tools is block and land use tool. So blocks can be created by closed street group, or you can convert from face to block, and then you can apply the land use to its parameter, which we will use for calculating the urban metric. Beside our predefined land use, you can create custom land use with custom parameters. So here we are creating the new land use and setting its unit and the unit ratio and setting the parking lot ratio. Then you can apply the land use to blocks and buildings. So after that, The urban metrics will be calculated in real time like you can see on the report. For further details, you can split the block and convert from phase to block for flexible layout. And the third set of tools is building tools. So with the generative design, you can explore a variety of design options and quickly testing solutions. And all the objects in UrbanAna are parametric objects, which means that it will respond when you edit the parameters, and it even responds to the SketchUp native tools like the move, scale, and rotate. And here we provide the edit building tools when you shape your building. And the edit ground floor mode. So with this tool, you can split, tone, and shape your building in many ways. And the last set of tool is the urban report metrics. So you can pin your important metrics right on the viewport while adjusting the model to meet changing requirements. And the pin will interactive respond based on which objects are selected in the string. So with the real-time calculation, you can always access urban report metrics to make data-driven decisions. Then you can export to Excel with all the metrics data to impress your client and close the deal. So here is our release plan for 2025. This now the end of 2024. We'll focus on optimize the drawing tools and calculation. And the first half of 2025 we focus on terrain functions when the street, building, and block will interactive with the terrain. And the second half of 2025 will release the version 2.0, which focus on the generative design function like block networks, subdivide block, and building type. So please visit our website for an overview of upcoming features. So this is the last part of our demo session. We have a free 3 days trial, so you can try our tool right away. For pricing, our popular package is one computer plan, which starts at $299. And thanks for taking your time today. We are currently having two offers right now. The first is the early bird offer, which will valid till the end of this year. So you will buy it one-time purchase and get a lifetime update for free, including the version 2, version 3, and beyond. And the second offer is the Black Friday, which is our biggest sale and never happened before. So you can enjoy the 50% discount on the lifetime license and lifetime update. So the price now start at 149. That is 50% off from 299. So I appreciate you for joining our demo session today. I hope you find this tool useful. And now I'll be opening up for Q&A. Thank you.